How to set up WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello everybody, today in this video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So for that, you may open up the WhatsApp application on your screen. And then once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding this chat interface on your home screen of WhatsApp. Now the first thing you can do is head over to the settings. For that, tap on the three dot at the top and then select settings from the given menu. And then once you open up settings, you may locate up the option called this one right here, which is storage and data. After clicking on storage and data, we have this option of media upload quality. You may tap on it, and then once you tap on it, we have two options given: standard quality and HD quality. So the thing is, when you select HD quality and then tap on save, there is a chance that it may upload your picture on highest quality even when you send photo to someone on chat or even updating your profile picture on WhatsApp. So what you can do is, once the settings is applied, you can click on your profile at the top, and then you need to select up this camera icon in order to change your picture, and then select a picture from your gallery or even take a picture at the moment. So the things you need to ensure is you have proper internet connection, because that may be the reason why your profile picture is not updated. Similarly, the photo that you're trying to upload in your profile should be of HD quality. If it is a very low quality, even though we have set the profile to HD quality, if your picture is on low quality, it will be uploaded on low quality. So ensure that. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to change your profile picture on WhatsApp on a very good quality. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.